Hi everyone. Good evening.
Mama,
Yeah.
why make white?
Yeah, too much light. Last time, nanood ako ng birth vlog. And, nung makita ni baby Nicole yung baby, after you see the baby, what you told to mama? Huh? What you need to?
I see baby pushing.
And what you told mama? Need to cut mama tummy?
That
Huh? Come here. Come here and tell them what you tell to them.
my baby was a cat baby.
Where to cut? Show them where to cut. Here.
How?
Oh, we need to cut so that baby will go out. Gusto niya i-cut na, excited na
Yep,
siya.
I guess my baby go out. I would cut. It take
What? Again? What?
let's cut.
Cut?
Take baby. I was cut baby berry. My baby berry. Are we put panty? Are we big?
Talaga? Gusto niya na i-cut dito si baby. Gusto niya i-cut si baby. Ayaw niyang lumabas sa baba. Gusto niya i-cut
I
at
can't-
kukunin si baby. Really?
I
You want
can't-
mama will be cesarean?
I get my cut baby. I get my baby
Ah,
cut baby.
you want to cut only mama tummy and remove the baby.
I want baby cut, mama.
You want mama tummy to be cut?
Need sharp. I want to make sharp on top. It take. It cut tummy.
You not feel kawawa to mama?
Milk.
Yet?
And then a week go up there and
And stitch again. To close mama tummy. Gusto niya yung cesarean ako. Excited na siya makita si baby.
a week put panty.
Baby put diaper.
A week put panty.
Papa! Nicole want to cut mama tummy and remove the baby. She don't like the baby go out down.
No need cut.
Oh, soon won't it cut. We have to wait when the baby will go out. When Anastasia will
I
go
just
out.
like I would baby cut. It take. It cut baby tummy. Ina it cut кошка.
Давай, ложись.
Ina the ten.
You
Ina
not feel kawawa mama tummy cut.
the twice whip. Ina the strawberry. Ina the кошку. Ina the foot. Inada.
Nada.
Another son.
You not feel kawawa mama cut tummy.
Another cut baby. Are we?
You were excited to see your baby.
Are we the?
You wanna see Anastasia?
I was too hot. Baby was eat hot.
Давай.
I was
Daway, tulog na.
It take baby. Put top pillow.
And change panty.
It take cut the tummy. Are we?
You need
Are
cut.
we
Oy, sinda
change?
ko. You need cut.
Not to take it up. It cut to that.
Okay. That's all for today. Nakakatakot yung gusto ni Nicole.
Panty baby.
You're excited to see your sister?
I see baby.
Kakatakot siya. Good night, everyone.
I see baby.
Ano lang to, yung night talk namin. Nakalimutan kong i-vlog kanina habang maaga pa sana. Kaso madilim na, naka-off na lahat. Kaya mobile light na lang. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, everyone.